Hello, my name is Laura. It is my question. What was the last movie you saw? The last movie I saw is Karen Encanto. We have happened to see it with my family because it is inspired my cultural, gastronomic and natural diversity of Colombia. It is very charming movie which has many cultural aspects of Colombia. Its animation is amazing. It is characters to it's very beautiful and tones movie because it shows one of the biggest problems that Colombia has and the forced displacement and the great violence that the Colombian people have lived for years. It is film that transmits happiness, magic, sadness, and many other emotions that will make you feel identified many times. One of the most important messages is the importance of being true to our essence and not submitting to what others expect of us. In Encanto is demonstrated how all the churches are worn out by wanting to meet the expectation of the grandmother of the Madrigal family. And that is why it is extremely important that we as people do not try to meet the experience of the other people or that our service. So we must always find for your dreams and ambition. It is an excellent movie and can be watching by children and adults. I like scenes in the animation.